Seaside Arena, Cebu. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's have a quick update on the ongoing construction of Seaside Arena, Cebu as of third week of October 2023. We are now crossing the longest bridge in the Philippines, the CC-Lex or Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway. Just sit back and relax while watching this video. That is the SRP, or South Road Properties Tower. And that is the South Coast City. South Coast City. The South Coast City is a 26-hectare joint venture project between SM and Ayala. Strategically located at the South Road Properties in Cebu City, the largest and fastest growing economy in the region. This site here is the ongoing construction of the Seaside Arena, Cebu. The arena is estimated to have a 16,000 seating capacity, and once completed, will be the largest arena in Cebu. Alright. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.